del horno estelado hacia arriba. Ponga el alta temperatura high por 2 minutos hasta 2 minutos y 30 segundos. Deténgase y escuche para el microondas cuando las explosiones sean de 182 segundos. Entre ellas, cocinar el exceso puede hacer que se quemen. Habrá considerado precaución. La bolsa y su contenedor son helpful hints. Popping times are affected by the model, age, and power of your microwave. Do not use popcorn bottle. It is normal for some unpopped kernels to remain in a fully popped state. Do not reheat unpopped kernels. Act 2. This side down. Estelado. Microwave oven vary. Cooking time may need to be adjusted. Popping may take more or less than 2 minutes 30 seconds. Place bag in center of the oven. This side down. Set time for 2 minutes 30 seconds on high. Stay by microwave and listen. Pop, pop, pop. Stop microwave when popping slows to 1 to 2. Doing pop overcooked.